Hi, I'm John with NextWindow. I'd like to give you a brief overview of how our technology works and give you an opportunity to see it in action. Now, there are about 13 different touch technologies out there. NextWindow products use optical touch. Basically, there are two infrared line scanners in the upper corners that project a beam across the surface of the glass. Now, this beam bounces off the reflective material on the sides, and a sensor, also in the upper corner, acknowledges this reflection. So when I put an object on the screen surface, it interrupts this beam and casts a shadow on the reflective sides. Therefore, the sensor acknowledges this shadow and is able to triangulate the precise position of the object. Sounds pretty basic, right? Well, it gets a bit more complicated when it's one object moving fast or two objects moving fast. Now, accuracy is important with touch, and NextWindow has spent a lot of effort ensuring our technology is capable of understanding the precise movements of your touch points. You'll notice that many other technologies are going to have a hard time being as precise as this. What's also great about our technology is that you can use any object to interact with the screen. Now, this is a credit card. And I can even use a brush. Well, it's a lot of fun, and as you can see, it's like working on a piece of paper. It would be extremely difficult to accomplish this with a mouse, and definitely not as much fun. The screen is also able to understand the width of an object. This comes in really handy for creative applications. Now, we're running on Windows 7, but our screens are compatible with all operating systems, including Mac, Linux, Vista, and XP. Let's take a look at some other applications that are ideal for touch. Here, we're looking at a photo viewer. It's really easy to move around multiple images, resize, and zoom, and also great for organizing your media. Same is true for video. It goes without saying that playing games with touch is a completely different experience than what you're used to. Touch isn't only great for creative applications in gaming, so let's see what happens with some of our day-to-day applications. Here, I'm using Microsoft Word for a basic cut and paste function. Now, this is Acrobat. Seems like every time I open up a PDF, it's never sized how I want it. And here, we're in a web browser on the internet. NextWindow has three main touchscreen products. Our first is for desktop all-in-one PCs and touch monitors, as shown here on the HP TouchSmart PC. It's also featured on the Dell Studio 119 and Inspiron. We also have two large format touchscreens. The 2150 is an integrated screen that gets installed within the bezel of a display. These screens can go up to 120 inches in size. And the 2700 overlay allows you to turn any existing plasma or LCD into an instant touchscreen. All you have to do is place our screen on top of any display, plug in the USB cable, and you have an instant touchscreen. If you want to experience NextWindow's touch technology, all you have to do is go to your local computer store and check out the HP TouchSmart or the Dell Studio 119. These all-in-one PCs, including some from Sony, Samsung, NEC, Medion, and Lenovo, all use NextWindow's touchscreens. See for yourself why our touch technology is the #1 choice for these products. I'm John. Thanks for joining me. If you want to learn more, come visit us at nextwindow.com.